Hey guys, we're here at Rudy's spring opener event, and we've been making a couple passes with charity case. We were supposed to do a lot of testing on Thursday with it, and me and Landon left Wednesday night really late and got down here, but ran into a lot of issues along the way. Lost an injector in my truck, and then had some transmission issues in another one, and just turned into a catastrophe of a day. But anyway, we're here. We ended up making one pass yesterday. Got shut out by rain, and just trying to get a lot of the bugs worked out in it. We had the bump box in it for the trans brake setup, and everything is a little aggressive, and we're still trying to get it figured out. With it being a mechanical engine still, we don't have a limiter on it to bring it up on, and just a bunch of stuff we're trying to figure out. The truck's never been on the track. It's just a lot of new stuff that we're trying to figure out. Made another pass and got a little bit better. The bump was still pretty aggressive. Drove out of the groove a little bit, so let out of it, and hopefully I think we have 4 or 5 more passes today that we're gonna be able to make, and hopefully it just keeps getting better from here.
Just got back from Q2. Had a really good pass this morning. We went 438 at 158, I believe. Pretty happy with things. Definitely had a chance to figure some stuff out when it rained yesterday. Had a chance to kind of go over the truck and just kind of fine-tune some stuff. Found a few little issues with some nitrous stuff. We changed oil, did a little bit of stuff with the suspension, changed up the tune a little bit to where we moved in second gear and lock up a little bit quicker. So that seemed to work pretty good. Definitely still have some things to work on the chassis, but overall we're pretty happy. Definitely have something to work with going into round 3.
So far, we've done 2 qualifying passes. We're sitting, I think, 5 or 6 in the class. Ran a best of 626 so far on a 590 index. Trying to figure out the new trans brake stuff, the new wheels and tires we put on it. They're a lot different compound than we're used to. Did a 60 foot of 136 yesterday, 150 today. Now the sun's out, so we're going to make some adjustments. Hopefully, get everything dialed in for qualifier 3 and then eliminations.
Ready to go into round 1 of eliminations. To say we've had a good day so far would be a little bit of an understatement. We started out with a 438 and made a few little shock adjustments, and the truck went a lot straighter, left a lot better, and we got a 427 at 177 mile an hour out of it. And we also got our personal best 60 foot, went 108 to the 60 foot. So we're really happy with the way the chassis is finally coming around, and it kind of seems to finally being able to make the chassis work pretty good. So I want to thank the guys over at Mensker for all the help that they've given us, and the sweet shocks. So they've been a pretty big help to us rookies that don't know what to do with a big tire. I'm learning, just can't learn quite fast enough. So, but we'll see what eliminations do for us today, and hopefully we can keep going around. Alright, so we're done here for the day at Rudy's. All in all, we had a pretty good day. We're a little bit disappointed in the final round. Unfortunately, the truck didn't come up on the turbo the way it needed to, so we ended up timing out, gave the win to Ben Chatty. We did still end up making a hit. The truck's still in one piece, but we have something to fix. We're not totally sure. We know number one was showing a little bit cold in the data log, so we'll take a look at that and figure out what we need to do to get it fixed back up. But big congrats to Ben Chatty and his crew for having a good day, and apparently they still have our number.